Hi, my friends. This is Ashton Blake. And to answer this question, yes, this system can work for beginners. It's so simple with the 4 easy steps, as you can see here. You basically just watch the video and you follow the direction on what to do, like join the Facebook group for the first step. And then you have step 2, where you sign up to each income stream and put your username right here. Well, it's going to be different on your screen, but I've already completed all of these steps already. And, for each income stream, you don't have to sign them all up all at once. It all depends on your budget. So, you can always stick to this one income stream, which is required for the multiple income funnel. But all these are completely optional. And especially the one with the traffic. We want to get traffic to get people to run through these systems. And your prospects, your potential prospects, who can give you sales, they'll go through the same process as you. Like they go through step 1, sign a Facebook group. Step 2, watch each of these videos to sign up to each income stream. And in step 3, you sign in your e-wallet information and put your bank information for you to get paid. Your commissions for the system. And the back office for number 4. Basically, you get a back office tour by Mac Mills, the creator of the system, showing where everything is so you know what you're doing. So it's a 4-step process that's very easy for the beginner to understand. And that's why the system works so well, because, and a lot of results coming in from many team members because of how simple it is. And everything is right into the system. Like you have your traffic, you have your email swipes for the resource section, your email swipes, you have your web banners, social media images, Facebook posts, and the training as well. So beginners can get started. There's a ton of information. Yeah, again, like with traffic, follow up for emails, even brand yourself on YouTube, promoting this system like I'm doing. Yeah, your Facebook, where we can brand your old Facebook page, basically changing your Facebook cover for business, and putting your links and make it look very professional, and even time blocking too. Because when it comes I know everybody's busy, everybody got work or dealing with their daily lives, but the importance of time blocking is if you spend 2 hours a day or 3 hours of you to work on your business, and you'll learn a lot about that. And plus, making a launch and having bonuses to basically incentivize everybody to join you, for you to stand out from the rest. And there's all these resources here for the beginner. That makes it easier to sign up. And let's go back to resources again. Training, you have a marketing success. Marketing system success training. There's additional training. And all these videos are short. They're 9, 10 minutes or, pretty short videos. They're not 2 hours long. You can just go through them and, basically at your own time. You got your traffic training, show you what to do to get traffic through social media or any other traffic source, through paid or free. Okay. And got your links where you don't have to build a website or anything like that. Everything is done for you here. As you sign up to the system, you have the basically your username is the subdomain for the multiple income funnel, which is your affiliate link. And the hits, the leads, and these are all the stats, like the video sales letter and the sales that you get, as you can see here. So it's all simple and easy for the beginner. And you have your teams where they are and where you get your leads and traffic. So this pretty makes the system so easy for the beginner. Compared to other systems you find from ClickBank or Warrior Plus, Like, it's so simple that like it's a clear direction of what it's all about. And it's all about getting traffic. All about, like, getting traffic to this multiple income funnel system, and getting high income potential. So that pretty much answers that question. When you sign up for a system like this for the first time, you're going to be on somebody's downline, and that sponsor could be a good sponsor that shows you how to set up the system quickly and easy, or that sponsor could be brand new to the system and might have some communication issues, trying to figure out like what to do, or that sponsor could just like be greedy and just want your money and just leave you in the dark. Now, if you're stuck in that situation where your sponsor doesn't help you, you can always go to My Business tab and go for help, and then submit a ticket or email Traffic Authority for support. Or you can also go to the Facebook group, the Multiple Income Funnel. Now that's step one, which I highly recommend that you sign up for, the Facebook group, where you can get your questions answered, you get the team support, acknowledgement, and brainstorming announcements, tips and tricks, and even social proof with no negativity and no spamming. So say, in fact, you have a question about, let's say, step 3, like how to set up your bank through the e-wallet system for a particular country that you're in. Say, for the fact that you're from Canada, you can put down, hey, I'm from Canada, and I just want to know how to set up my bank information for the multiple income funnel. And somebody from that particular country that you're in can definitely answer your question. So you can get your answers right here on the Facebook group. When you sign up to the multiple income funnel and you go on a page like this, it will cost you $49 a month to run this system. Now, what you get with 50% of that in commissions is $20 per sale. And now, if your prospects, your downline stays within the system for months on month, you get $20 per month residually. And if you upgrade, you get $200 per year in commissions. Now, if your downline upgrades before you, that sale will go to your sponsor, which is a passive sale that applies to all 4 income streams. Now, income stream 2, easy one-up, that starts at Elevation, as you can see here. Start for $25 in commissions. Then Elevation Elite, $100 in commissions. Vertex, $250 in commissions. And then Vertex Elite, $500 in commissions. And you have Vertex Pro, $1,000 in commissions. And then Vertex Live, $2,000 in commissions. So you go from low tier to the upper tier. And these are the optional programs, as you can see here. And for text bots, that starts at $100 in commissions. You can go up to $500. And I heard that there's a $1,000 third tier commission as well. And then for the Traffic Authority, the 4th income stream, it starts from $80 in commissions all the way up to $3,200 in commission, the highest one out of all 4 income streams. And you pick your traffic package, and that'll be where you get your commissions. Like if any of your prospects decide to go to the 4th income streams to pay for traffic to get their leads to run to the system, you basically get a sale for them paying for traffic. And there's a free traffic bonus. There's a free upgrade bonus for a Traffic Authority. That's for a 7-day process where, let's say for fact you purchased a titanium traffic package, you get upgrade for free on the diamond traffic package, which will give you $3,200 in commissions. So, you leave no money on the table, and it's right there on display. So, that's pretty much all 4 income streams commissions compensation plan in a nutshell, as you can see here. And you can start on a low budget or even on a higher budget. And the great thing about these income streams is that you can promote them all individually. So like you don't have to promote all of them at once. That's why I made it so easy for you guys to do that with this questionnaire page, which I created in tryinteract.com. Great page where you can like put all your links with the questions that you answer based on what question that you pick. One of those income streams will be available to you, as you can see here. So I have it as 4 questions to answer. Pick any of these questions, and one of these income streams will come up. Now that's a great question. And what I like about the multiple income funnel Facebook group is the free traffic opportunity. And this is right before you do anything else, before you go out in the wild to promote on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, or any of that. It's a Facebook group for the multiple income funnel. So I'm going to show you that right now. Now, if you attend any of Daniel Klum's Facebook Live wake-up call meetings for the multiple income funnel, as you can see here, you can get between 250 clicks to even 500 clicks as a newbie within your first 30 days of the multiple income funnel. Now, how does that sound right there? Is that great or what? So it's pretty awesome that you'll be able to get free traffic before you do anything. That's what makes this so great for a beginner. And before I go, I want to show you my results and the results of team members that are killing it with this system. As you can see here. These are my results. My comment so far. This is a recent thing I just posted. As a matter of fact, 4 hours ago. I see other people's results as well. As you can see here. People making $100, $500. And all these $20 commissions. And these are results every single day, literally. Posted in the group. Even their names. Look at that. The results as big as that. Even for income stream 2, which is easy 1-up. I made $1,000 with that. You know, this is pretty much it, as you can see here. Now, before I conclude this, I have a big announcement to make. If you sign up to the multiple income funnel as an annual member and take advantage of the discount for the $200 per year commissions, I'll give you 100 free clicks. That's right, 100 free clicks for a limited time. All at the start, when you open your account to the multiple income funnel. Now, for more details, you can check the links down below in the description, along with my video review for this multiple income funnel to learn more information. Now, without further ado, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned.